Hello, friends of health and wellness. Today we're diving into the world of a plant that has been revered for centuries for its incredible health benefits, the elderberry. Welcome to my channel, Herbal Health and Vitality. I'm your host, Sally, and I'm thrilled to share the wonders of this potent berry with you. Elderberry, scientifically known as, is a dark purple berry that grows in clusters on elder trees. Don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. This tiny berry packs a powerful punch when it comes to promoting health and well-being. For generations, elderberry has been a staple in traditional medicine, used to address a variety of ailments. From ancient civilizations to modern herbalists, the wisdom of elderberry's healing properties has been passed down through time. Join me as we uncover the rich history, explore the numerous benefits, and even whip up a delicious recipe using this incredible gift from nature. Let's unlock the power of elderberry together. The use of elderberry for its medicinal properties can be traced back thousands of years. Evidence suggests that ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Native Americans, recognized and utilized the power of this plant. In ancient Egypt, elderberry was used for its wound-healing properties and was even believed to offer protection from evil spirits. Native American tribes incorporated elderberry into their traditional medicine practices, using it to treat fevers, coughs, and skin conditions. During the Middle Ages, elderberry became a popular remedy for a wide range of ailments in Europe. Herbalists and healers praised its versatility, using it to address everything from colds and flu to digestive issues and skin irritations. Even today, modern science is catching up with what traditional healers have known for centuries. Research continues to uncover the potent compounds within elderberries that contribute to their impressive health benefits. Elderberry's approach to health and wellness is best understood through the lens of holism. Holistic medicine emphasizes treating the whole person, mind, body, and spirit, rather than just addressing individual symptoms. At its core, elderberry works by supporting the body's natural defenses. It's packed with antioxidants, which fight harmful free radicals and protect cells from damage. These antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, contribute to the berry's deep purple color and offer a wide range of protective benefits. Furthermore, elderberry possesses antiviral and antibacterial properties, making it a powerful ally in fighting off infections. By strengthening the body's immune response, elderberry helps us stay healthy and resilient, especially during times of stress or seasonal changes. This holistic approach to well-being makes elderberry a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. By nourishing the body's natural defenses and promoting overall balance, elderberry empowers us to take charge of our health. Let's dive deeper into 5 specific ways that incorporating elderberry into your routine can benefit your health. 1. Immune system support. Elderberry is renowned for its ability to bolster the immune system. Its rich antioxidant content helps fight oxidative stress, while its antiviral properties may help reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu. 2. Respiratory health. Traditionally, elderberry has been used to soothe respiratory ailments. It may help thin mucus, making it easier to cough up, and potentially ease symptoms like congestion and sore throat associated with colds and flu. 3. Antioxidant powerhouse. Elderberries are packed with antioxidants, surpassing even blueberries and cranberries in their antioxidant capacity. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are linked to aging and chronic diseases. 4. Heart health support. Some studies suggest that elderberry may have positive effects on heart health. It may help reduce cholesterol levels and improve blood pressure, both of which are important for maintaining cardiovascular well-being. And 5. Anti-inflammatory action. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems. Elderberry contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis. Finding the right dose of elderberry. When incorporating elderberry into your routine, it's essential to determine the appropriate dosage for your needs. The optimal amount can vary depending on factors such as age, health status, and the form of elderberry you're using. For general immune support, a common recommendation for adults is to take a concentrated elderberry supplement, such as elderberry syrup or capsules, providing 1 to 2 tablespoons or 500 to 1,000 milligrams of extract daily. During times of illness, you may choose to increase the dosage for a short period, but always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Sourcing your elderberry supply. Now that you're ready to experience the benefits of elderberry, you might be wondering where to find high-quality products. Fortunately, elderberry is readily available in various forms from reputable sources. You can often find elderberry syrup, capsules, gummies, and teas at health food stores, online retailers specializing in natural health products, and even some grocery stores with expanded health sections. When choosing an elderberry product, look for reputable brands that prioritize organic ingredients and sustainable sourcing practices. Read labels carefully to check for added sugars, artificial flavors, or other additives that you may want to avoid. If you're feeling adventurous and have access to fresh or dried elderberries, you can even try making your own elderberry syrup or other preparations at home. However, remember that proper preparation is crucial to ensure safety and effectiveness. A delicious Dive elderberry syrup recipe. Ready to experience the delightful taste of elderberry while reaping its health benefits? This simple elderberry syrup recipe is easy to make and can be enjoyed by the whole family. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of dried elderberries, 3 cups of water, 1 cup of raw honey or maple syrup for a vegan option, and optionally, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, and half a teaspoon of ground ginger. 1. Combine the elderberries, water, and optional spices in a saucepan. 2. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 45 minutes or until the liquid has reduced by about half. 3. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. 4. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, pressing on the elderberries to extract as much liquid as possible. 5. Once the liquid has cooled completely, stir in the honey or maple syrup until well combined. 6. Store the syrup in a sterilized glass jar in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. To enjoy, take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily for general immune support or more frequently as needed during times of illness. You can enjoy the syrup straight, mixed into warm water or tea, or drizzled over pancakes, yogurt, or oatmeal. Remember your health. A word of caution. While elderberry offers a plethora of potential benefits, it's essential to remember that it's not a magic bullet and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have any underlying health conditions, or are taking medications, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating elderberry into your routine, as it may interact with certain medications or health conditions. Additionally, it's important to note that consuming raw or unripe elderberries can cause digestive upset, so always ensure you're using properly prepared elderberry products or recipes from trusted sources. Remember, prioritizing a holistic approach to health, which includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, is key to overall well-being. I hope you enjoyed my video and come back for more educational and entertaining videos. See you and have a great day.